Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video we'll be showing you guys how to draw a female head shape. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we already start sketching in our circle right here. Next we're going to bring down a vertical line. Afterwards we could start sketching in the left hand side of the face. So we're going to start coming down. And notice when we come down for the chin, and you could see it more pointed rather than squared when we did the male head shape video. And if you guys want to check that out, it will be linked down in the description. But this little tiny detail makes it more female than male. But with that being said, we're going to continue on and finish off the right side of the face. And this horizontal line here that we put earlier is just to line up the jaw. And that's the other thing when it comes to a female face, just know that the jaw not that prominent as you'll tend to see with a male. But with that being said, we can move up and start working on the head shape. So you can see here we coming up and we kind of cutting through the circle, as you can see right here on the left. And that's something you have to keep in mind, because think about it, when you put your hands to the side of your head, it's flat, right? So that's why we're coming up straight here, and on the other side as well. And then for the top of the head, you could follow the curve of the circle right here. Alright, awesome. And with this guys, we have our female head shape. But wait, we're not done, because you know we like to be a little extra. So before we move on further, we're going to actually drop in the neck. And when it comes to the neck, female necks tend to be a lot slimmer, unlike a male, which will be a lot thicker. So you can see right here that we have the neck, and you can see we didn't make the width too wide. And then for the shoulders, we just going to show a little bit, but something you have to keep in mind when you're doing the shoulders, especially for a female, you want to make it less broad or not too wide like you will tend to see on a male. Okay, so we finished with our female head shape. Now we could go ahead and get rid of the guidelines. And now we are officially finished with our sketch. So, see you guys after the time lapse. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as always, clean. And there you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.